Who's here ever had traffic but no sales? So many entrepreneurs come to me saying, Silvia, I've got tons of traffic but no sales, and I honestly don't know what to do. I've tried everything. And before you know it, entrepreneurs get really upset and they start panicking, and they start changing images and putting more money on ads and changing platforms. And just before you know it, things are all up in the air and the gambling is well in progress. But let me ask you, how many of you guys have ever went to a shop and didn't buy anything? How many times have you gone to a shop, you tried on the dress, you thought it was kind of nice, but you're gonna go and get it later? So let me give you an example. So lots of entrepreneurs, when they say that they've got traffic and no sales, they kind of expect to get 100 visitors that turn into 100 sales, right? So in other words, people expect this to be a square, right? Let me see you. Who here expects this to be a square, that 100 visitors turn into 100 customers? But in reality, we know it doesn't work that way, right? People go, they shop around, they have a look, they browse, and only some of them later end up buying, or some of them buy straight away, but not everybody always buys. So in other words, it's actually not a square, it's a funnel, right? And even those of you who think that you don't have a funnel because you haven't consciously built one, sorry to be the bearer of bad news, it is a funnel. And whether you like it or not, everybody who's got an online store has an online funnel as well. And there are certain steps that need to happen before you actually can expect a sale, right? So first, we need to make sure we get the right impressions. In other words, the right eyes of the right person, of the right ideal customer on our offer. So it needs to be impressions. Then we need these people to actually click. We need to make sure we get enough clicks. And these clicks, we need to ensure that they turn into enough website visitors, right? After website visitors, we of course need them to add things to cart. Add to cart. Then we need them to initiate checkout. Checkout. And then finally we get the sale, okay? So there is different things that need to happen first before we can actually expect a sale.